Using a bicycle is a pretty handy and eco-friendly means of commuting. Surprisingly, with the coronavirus pandemic, the interest in biking has increased. Whether it's for traveling or for recreational purposes, there's no denying riding a bike can be lots of fun. If you're wondering what are some of the most incredible and innovative bikes on the market, you're in the right place. We've done all the research on your behalf, so you can sit back and enjoy. Some bikes can replace delivery scooters with their remarkable features, and those designed by big names like Audi are a must-see. Let's check them out. Number 10. VELOCKS E-TRIKE. The electric trikes by VELOCKS are a one-of-a-kind in the bicycle world. They're designed with the super comfortable riding position, full suspension, the ability to handle high loads, waterproof electronics, and multiple motor options. Its elegant design also offers the user the convenience of fast charging with high power and a remarkably high speed. The frame of the electric trike is made using 4130 CRMO alloy steel, which is twice as strong as the one made using the ST52, ST37 steel. Both the frame and the trike are designed employing 3D modeling, and the former is TIG welded, cold galvanized, and powder coated. The bike itself weighs around 40 kilograms and can bear a load up to 200 kilograms, including the rider and the luggage. There's no doubt you'll be standing out in a crowd riding this unique bike. Number 9. CHITA. According to the manufacturers, the CHITA bike was designed keeping in mind the beauty and speed of a cheetah. Even though the bike doesn't exactly look like a cheetah, it is striking in appearance and stands out from a regular bike. CHITA is also the Italian word for city, and the bike is designed as an urban mountain bike. So the name of the cycle is a play on words all around. The carbon fiber construction helps keep the bike's overall weight down with a 2 kilogram weight for the frame alone. The cycle contains a diamond-shaped battery that's placed in the main triangle. With a 650 watt unit, it brings you about the largest capacity electric bike battery you can imagine. The bike uses a reasonably standard rear hub motor system in terms of power delivery. Users also enjoy interesting connectivity tech, including a smartphone app and an embedded GPS chipset. Number 8. Ruby X. If you're reluctant to purchase your first ever e-bike, start with Ruby X, the ultimate e-bike kit that every beginner would love to own. It's entirely wireless with regenerative brakes and an expandable battery. It's pretty much the easiest way to transform any bike into an e-bike. The wireless cadence sensor tracks your pedaling patterns and adapts the electric assist automatically. Its patented quick-release look technology enables Ruby to be installed and attached with one hand in just 1 second. Moreover, you'd enjoy an ultra-bright rear safety light consisting of 14 LEDs that not only works as a brake light, but also displays battery level and acts as a turn indicator. You'd be entirely visible and completely safe. With its advanced ride analytics, you can also track your rides and find the fastest route to your intended destination within seconds. Number 7. X1 Bike. Beat the traffic and save the planet using the pollution-free folding electric bike that enables you to travel cleaner, safer, and smarter. Its flagship model is designed for people of all ages, sizes, and genders, so none of you have to hold back. It also offers a multi-feature custom app and a GPS tracking device included with the X1 Explorer. All you need is a SIM card and a phone. Additionally, you can count on its light-up screen to provide you with all kinds of information when riding. That consists of the necessary updates on battery power, speed, odometer, trip meter, and temperature. With the auto start feature, you can start your X1 bike simply by a push of a button. You can also set the immobilizing anti-theft alarm with the push of the arm button. It's pretty much the most versatile e-bike on the market. Number 6. Urban Aero Shorty. The Urban Aero Shorty is the lightest bike in the cargo range that is used to replace delivery scooters and messenger bikes with an increasing frequency. This bike has the edge over a scooter for one primary reason: you do not need a driver's license. Moreover, the Shorty is also quiet and pretty agile. It has a short wheelbase, which makes it handle pretty much like a regular bicycle. inner city transport will feel like a walk in the park with Shorty in your life. Its load capacity exceeds expectations. It can fit a volume of up to 150 liters or a maximum weight capacity of 85 kilograms in its cargo space. Number 5. Audi e-bike. WORTHERSEE. An e-bike by Audi is pretty much a look into the future of cycling. You wouldn't expect anything less from Audi anyway. The WORTHERSEE uses automotive-driven technology in its construction. It's not the kind of bike you take out for a Sunday cruise. In fact, this beast can be used to tackle those new trails you discovered the week prior, the ones with the jumps and the speed banks. The idea behind this bike is pretty evident: to act as a bridge between the transportation of today and that of tomorrow. Yeah, it's sleek, lightweight, resilient, and electric, but those were just some of the points of focus for the team. The entire frame is composed of reinforced carbon fiber polymer, which is also used on the rear swing arm, the handlebars, and even the seat. With a lithium-ion battery ion, it is genuinely a bike from the future. Number 4. Flash. Flash isn't just an electric bike. It's the evolution of the bike itself. With built-in safety, security, and intelligence features, it's everything a rider needs. Even though the Flash mobile app is not a must, it offers some pretty cool features with unlimited software updates that would make your riding experience all the more exciting. Flash features a 500-watt gear rear hub motor powered by a 417-watt internal battery, a grip throttle, and a pedal assist with 5 levels of control, a top speed of 25+ miles per hour, and a range of up to 30 to 50 miles per charge. Using the Flash smartphone app, you can instantly convert to Class 2 electric bike classification. This electric bike also ensures maximum safety with a high-intensity 330 lumen 7 LED headlight, turn signals with color LCD touchscreen display feedback, and an 85 decibel electric horn. Number 3. Razor RSF SX500. Inspired by Jeremy McGrath, an iconic motocross rider, the SX500 McGrath features authentic McGrath graphics and fairing design, real dirt bike frame geometry, and a high-torque, variable-speed motor for a supercharged experience. Get ready to ride like a champ with features like dual suspension and riser handlebars, large pneumatic knobby tires, retractable kickstand, and hand-operated dual-disc brakes. The brake can carry riders at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour with 40 minutes of continuous use. It also features a steel frame, a chain-driven motor, double crown fork, and metallic foot pegs. This bike is ideal for anyone aged 14 or above. Number 2. REVOS. REVOS is an e-bike kit with a 200-watt battery that can turn your boring old bike into an electric bike. It includes everything you need to let your bike be your e-bike too: a drive unit, 200-watt lithium-ion battery, pedal assist sensor, battery charger, appropriate tools, and a user manual. REVOS has it all. You can benefit from improved motor efficiency, leading to more extended range and excellent running. You'd also encounter ultra-low resistance when the legal maximum of 15.5 miles per hour pedal assist speed is reached to improve the cycling experience. The improved sensor light diagnostic light signals would allow the cyclist to confirm that the installation has been carried out correctly. REVOS also features an automatic battery power saving mode when not in use. Thanks to the complete 3-phase sinusoidal motor control, users would also enjoy a quiet and smooth motor operation, leading to a much more comfortable ride. Number 1. LOPIFIT walking bike. The LOPIFIT bike is a new and innovative way to exercise while riding your favorite bike. It is well known that the fastest way to a healthier heart is low impact, high cardio, and high fat and calorie burning exercise. With LOPIFIT, you'd get all 3 in a single place. This bike is so eco-friendly to both the environment and to your body. It leaves behind no carbon footprint. Other types of bicycles may cause damaging effects to your body, but LOPILIFT ensures they're all eliminated. From the very first step, your entire body would be in motion. You'd feel all your senses come alive, gliding down the road with the wind in your hair. You get to enjoy the benefits of walking and riding a bike with zero impact on your knees, lower back, shoulders, and neck. The best part? No sore rear end either. Alright, Comment below which of these bike gadgets amazed you the most. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.